Yes, Rishti, can you hear me? Okay, I hope you understood the question number 5. We'll move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is kind of important. So the question is,
That will be represented as a centimeter itself, right? 2 by 3.
the arc length.
20
Yes,
pi
yes,
by
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. If in two circles, arc of the same length, subtend angles 60° and 75° at the center, find the ratio of their radii. I'll represent this in the diagram. So you have two circle 1, circle 2. I will have it like this. Okay. Yes. This is 60°. The first one is 60°. And the second one is 75°. And assume this is the radius 1 from here to here. And from here to here as radius 2. And assume this as L1. This is L2. So you know the formula already, that is the relation between the arc length and radius.
L is equal
L is
to R
equal to
theta.
R theta. So for the first circle, let's denote this L1 is equal to
Okay.
R1 into theta 1, which is R1 into 60°. Like before that, let's convert this degree in
pi by
terms of
180.
pi. So 60° into
So
pi by
3.
180°, which will give you pi by 3. So I'll write
L1 is equal to R1 pi by 3.
R1 into pi by 3. So that would be L1. And second one, for the second one, it's going to be L2 is equal to R sub 2 into theta 2. So that would be times 75°. So when you convert 75° in terms of radian, you will get the answer as 5 by 12. That's 5. They're asking us to find the ratio of it. Okay. And also they said they share the same length, which means L1 and L2 both are equal. So let's keep L. They share the same length means that there is no difference in the arc length. They are equal. Let's assume that is L. So when you divide
So
it,
R1 pi by 3
you will have
is equal
R1
to
pi by 3
pi by 3
is equal to R2 5 by
R2 5
12. Pi and pi will cancel out each other. You will have R1 by R2 is equal to 5 times 3 by 12. If you simplify, you will have 4. Okay. So the answer is R1 by R2 is equal to 5 by 4. R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. Okay. So that's their ratio. 5 is to 4 is the answer. Understood, Srishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I raise it?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Only in the first exercise you will have such question. In the next exercise you will have pure trigonometry. You won't be having such degree.
Ma'am, R1 by R2 is 5 by
5:4.
Okay.
You're getting 5/4 in fraction. When you write it in terms of ratio, you'll put it in this form. You use this column.
5 by 4. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Question number 7 from exercise 3.1. Question is find the angle in radian which a pendulum, excuse me, swings. Question. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. And the tip describes an arc of length. I'll show you how it works. So, okay, question is still income.
Ma'am, here the
It gave us 10
radius
centimeter.
is 75 cent.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Like it will be like this. Like it will go like this, isn't it? It will move like this. So this would
Okay.
be 10 centimeters.
Okay, understood.
This is theta. This you need to find. This is 75 centimeter. So you know the relation arc length is equal to radius into degree measure. So length of the arc is given, which is 10 centimeter, and
10 by
radius is also
75
given
is equal to
75
theta.
theta. So theta is equal to 10 upon 75 radian.
Which is
If
2
you
by
simplify with
15.
help of 2 by 15 radian. Oh, that's it.
Just 2 by 15.
Yeah,
radian.
yeah. And they gave
Okay.
us subdivision 2 also. They just
Do we
changed
have to
the 10
multiply with
into 15
60 or something?
Do we have to?
Okay. No, ma'am.
No, you don't have to. They're just asking the answer in terms of radian only. It's fine.
So it would be 3 by 15, which is 1 by 5.
Yeah. You do have 21 centimeter also in the third subdivision. These are all pretty simple. That's it. That's all about the exercise 3.1. Move to the exercise 3.2. So in 3.2, I'll write the question number 1. The question number 1, find the values of the other 5 trigonometric functions if cos x is equal to negative 1 by 2 and x lies in the third quadrant. This is very, these questions are really fun to do, but I'll show you. Values. Trigonometric functions.
The first exercise is done?
Yes.
Okay.
So you know these quadrant concepts, right? Like you do have these 4 quadrants. You know this all silver teacup. Like here, all the quadrants are positive. Here, sine and its reciprocal cosecant is positive. T, tan and cot are positive. Cup, cos and secant is positive. Yes. So if you look at the question, they said cos x is equal to negative 1 by 2. And they're saying that x lies in the third quadrant. Of course, because in the third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive. The other thing will be, of course, negative.
Negative.
So They're asking about the other 5 trigonometric ratios. They gave you cos value, which means you need to find what is sin x, what is cos x, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, and all
Okay.
that.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is very simple. So you know this familiar identity, which is very famous identity, which is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. By using this, you'll be able to find the other ratio. So you just substitute the value of cos here, it's gonna be sin square x. So minus 1.
Ma'am, here we
That's
can't
equal
use
to-
the Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah, you know, you can use it. This is
Okay.
just a trigonometric function. You can use Pythagoras is only for trigonometric function.
Mm-hmm.
So sin square x.
Like 1 square plus 2 square is equal to hypotenuse.
Yeah,
That we
yeah.
find and then okay.
So you will
Okay.
have 3 by 4, which means you will have plus or minus square root of 3 by 2. That would be your answer. Since this side x lies in the third quadrant, you will convert, you will check for the sign. What about sign in the third quadrant? It's negative, isn't it? So
It's
you will
negative.
consider your answer in negative one.
Sign
So
as
this is your
negative.
answer.
Okay.
Now you know what is
Okay.
sin and what is cos. It is very easy for you to find the value of tan. What is tan x? It's sin x by cos x. Isn't it? So you will simply put negative root 3 by 2 divided by negative 1 by 2. If you simplify, you will have the answer is positive root 3. That's going to be tan. Cot is nothing but reciprocal of tan, which is 1 upon root 3. So that's going to be a cot. And secant is very simple. It's just a reciprocal of cos. So secant x will be 1 upon cos x. So it's 1 upon minus 1 by 2, which will give you the answers negative. So that's your secant. And you know how to find the cosecant theta. It's just simply the reciprocal of sine. You know the value of sine, which is negative root 3 by 2.
Negative 2 by 3.
Reciprocal
2 by
of
3.
That's it. Pretty basics. Okay, next question I'll give
Sec
you a
will be
homework.
minus
Okay.
2, right?
Next question I'll give you a homework, Srishti. Same question,
Okay.
same
Okay.
question. Just you have to change this as sin x
Ma'am,
equal to
sec
3
is
by
negative 2.
what?
Sec will be negative 2, right? For this
Yeah,
question.
yeah. Sec
Okay.
is negative
Okay.
2. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Same question. Please change the cos x as sin x is equal to 3 by 5. And also x lies in the second quadrant. Please note down that as homework. X lies in the second. Same.
Ma'am, tan is root 3 and the cot will be
1 upon
1 by 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Here, ma'am, what's the next question?
The next
X will be?
question I'm giving you is homework. Please change the if condition as sin x is equal to 3 by 5 and the quadrant
by
is the
5,
second
okay.
quadrant. Instead of third, you put second quadrant and change the cos x and terms of sin x equated to 3 by 5.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay.
Pretty basic question. Assume that as homework. Shall I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question is also same. They are giving cot x is equal to 3 by 4 and x lies in the third quadrant. This is also pretty same. Silver, teacup. So cot x is 3 by 4. So you know this identity also. What is it? Cosecant square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So simply substitute the value of cot here, which is 3 by 4 the whole square. So that would be cosecant square. 1 plus 9 by 3. This would be 25 by 60. Second x is equal to 5 by plus or minus 5 by 4. If you check the quadrant, they're saying that it lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, the cosecant theta is negative, isn't it? So you will write the answer in terms of negative. Whenever you have the result like this, like plus or minus, you have to check the question where x lies. In our question, they mentioned that x lies in the third quadrant. So go back to the concept. In the third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive. So cosecant is negative, so you have to give the answer in terms of negative. So cosecant is minus 5. And from this, you can directly write the answer.
Sine
for
will
the
be
sine.
minus 4 by 5.
Yeah. So it's minus 4 by
And
5. And what about tan? Tan is the
will be
reciprocal of
4
cot.
by 3.
4 by 3, exactly. And how will you derive the answer for cos?
Using tan x is equal to
You can
sin x
use
by cos x.
you can use this identity also. Sin squared x plus cos square x is equal to 1. You can use this identity.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's going to be cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, which means you will have it like this. Right? You take square root, you will have plus r minus 3 by 5. That will be cos. So cos, they're saying that it is third quadrant. But
Will it be negative 3
negative,
3 by 5?
exactly. So it's negative 3 by 5.
3
You
by
can
5.
reciprocal it and you can find the answer for the secant, which is negative 5.
Okay, ma'am, done.
Understood. The fourth question also pretty same, Srishti. This you can try by your own. Secant x is equal to 13 by 5 and x lies in the fourth quadrant. Can you try this?
Yes, ma'am. And that formula is 6 square x is equal to 1 plus ma'am. Hello. Yes, ma'am, found out.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
finished. You want me to tell the answers?
Just a second.
First, I used the sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x formula, and I found out tan x.
Okay.
So it would be like I got tan x as negative 12 by 5.
Okay.
And then so tan x, if I found out, then cot x would be the reciprocal. So reciprocal is minus 5 by 12.
Mhm.
I found out cos x as 5 by 13.
Yeah.
As it is sec square is sec x is a reciprocal.
Yeah.
And it's positive because in the fourth quadrant.
Yeah.
And then sin x I found out by using the cos square x plus sin square is equal to 1.
Yeah.
So I got negative 12 by 13.
Negative 12 by
And
13.
then
You can get it in the other way also. What you have got is absolutely correct. But if you want to save time, you can use this thing. Like use
tan x.
like
Okay.
tan x
Yes,
and
ma'am.
cos x, you will get the answer. That is also
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
12 upon 5 into 5 upon 14 will be the answer is 14. Okay. So what about cosecant x?
Cosec x would be negative 13 by 12.
12, exactly. Good, good. Very good, Srishti. Good, very good. This is very easy chapter, Srishti. In the grade 10, you have already learned. It's going to be very simple. You don't have to panic.
Ma'am, these all are easy, but then there's that prove that questions and all.
Oh, proving is also very easy. Like all you have to use is only the trigonometric identities, like how you are using this sine square x plus cos square x. Like that, you do have some identity for sine 2x formula, cos 3x formula. You do have few identity. If you by heart them, then it would be very easy for you. I'll send all those identity. You by heart it whenever time permits.
Okay.
And when we
ma'am.
discuss, it's going to be very, very simple.
Okay.
Same concept, like how you are utilizing these identities here. Like when they're asking about like cot, you are using the appropriate identity, which involves cot theta. Like you are using 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square. Like that, you have to use an appropriate identity at appropriate places. That's it.
Okay.
Question number 5 is also pretty similar, Srishti. They just gave us tan x is equal to negative 5 by 12. X lies in the second quadrant. That you can go through by yourself. You don't have to waste time on that. We'll move to the next question. The question number 6. Okay. Okay. In the question number 6, they're asking us to find the value of the trigonometric function. The question is find the value of a trigonometric function sine 765 degrees. You told me that you have learnt the table. I think that could be only up to 360 degree. So it is difficult to by heart up to 765. So you will break this.
Actually, the physics taught me all silver teacups, the graph
that's
thing.
nice.
But then I forgot. I just have to revise it.
This is pretty simple. You will just convert this degree in terms of radian. Okay. You convert this 765 into radian. What happens? It becomes pi by 180. So when you simplify this, I'm not going to show you the step. I'm directly writing the answer. You will have 17 pi upon 4. You have an improper fraction. Convert this into a mixed fraction. You will have 4 times of 1 by 4 into pi. Okay. So which could be written like this. 9 4 pi plus 1 by 4 pi. This is how you have to split.
Okay.
Okay. So you have sine 4 pi plus theta, which means this is like 2 times of 2 pi. Okay. So 2 pi means it is 360 degree, right? So 360 degree plus theta will give you theta only as the result. Okay. Sine 360 degree plus theta is equal to sine theta. Okay. Remember this. So 2 times of this 360 is also same only. Again, you want to get the answer as sine theta. Theta is nothing but this 1 by 4 pi. Okay. So now you substitute the value of pi here as 180. When you substitute 180 by 4 going to be 45 degree. So you will have sine 45, which is nothing but 1 by root 4. So that's your answer. Understood?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you want me to repeat it? Please tell me, I'll repeat it again.
Ma'am, can you repeat from 2 into 360 that part?
Yes. So you have
After
sine
splitting,
4 pi plus 1 by 4. You have sine 4 pi plus 1 by 4 pi. So what I'm saying, 4 pi could be written as 2 times
2
of
into
2 pi. Okay.
Mm.
You can ignore this even multiple. You will get the same value only. Even multiple means nothing but like you will go one circle, again you will go another circle and you will come back to the same position. So it doesn't make any difference. So you can assume the 4 pi is 2 pi also. Okay, that's what I was trying to say. And what is 2 pi? 2 pi is nothing but 360 degree only. 360 degree plus 1 by 4 pi. There is a formula that sine 360 degree plus theta is nothing but sine theta. Okay. So you will write this 360 degree plus 1 by 4 pi as sine 1 by 4 pi because that 1 by 4 pi is theta. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yes.
now I'm substituting the value of pi as 180. It's going to be sine 180 by 4. You simplify, you will get 45 degree, which means sine
45.
45.
Okay, ma'am.
Sine 45 is nothing but 1 upon
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is also pretty same. You have to find the value of the trigonometric function of cosecant minus 1410 degree. Okay. Pretty easy. So you have this cosecant of minus theta could be written as minus cosecant theta. Because when you have cos of minus theta will turn into positive cos. Okay, I'll send you those important formulas, Rishti. You by heart those. Okay. For cosecant and sine, you will have the same. Sine of minus x is minus sine x. Cosecant of minus x is minus cosecant x. Okay, remember that. So you can rewrite this question as minus cosecant of 1410 degree. Okay. So now you can rewrite this 1410 degree in terms of radian. So minus cosecant 1410 times pi by 180. If you do that, you have minus cosecant 475 by 6. So this is an improper fraction. If you convert this, 5. Okay. So you will have mixed fraction like this, cosecant 7 pi by 6 pi. Okay. Can you follow, Srishti? Is it clear so far?
Yes.
Okay. You have 5 by 6. Okay.
What do you do?
Please write it down. I'll erase this and write. Like you have 7 plus 5 by 6.
So will it come in that way, like 7 degree plus 5 by 6 into 60, that one?
No. You don't have to convert into minute and all here. You're just finding the value of it. Okay. So if you change it, it's going to be like 7 pi plus 5 by 6. Okay. This is odd number. Okay. You can write, you have odd number here, Srishti. If you want to convert this into even, you can simply write this as 8 minus 1 by 6. Do you know how to change this? 7 plus 5 by 6 as 8 minus 1 by 6. Both are same only.
Oh, I don't know.
What is 7 plus 5 by 6? 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5 will give you 47 by 6.
7 by 6.
And 7 8, 8 6 are 48. 48 minus 1 will give you 47 by 6. Both are same.
Okay.
So if you find any odd number, it is better to convert in terms of even.
Ma'am, if I wanted to wanted it to be like 6 in terms of 6, also I can make it, right?
In terms of
Like
6.
6.
Like 6 are 36, the remaining thing.
Would it be like
No,
6?
no. It will be either 7 plus 5 by 6 or 8 minus 1 by 6. So you do have only 2 options.
Okay, it would always go up to the next number.
Next number.
Next
Yeah.
even. Okay.
Yeah, next even. The very next even.
Okay. But
You
how
can
did you
find it
get
like this.
1 by
Like if you have 5 by 6, what is the difference between 5 and 6? 1, right? 1 by 6.
1?
At 1 by 6, it will become an integer. So you put that remaining over here. You just subtract this from 1 and put that answer over here, Srishti. Okay? And
Okay.
increase this
Okay.
value by 1. That's it. You remember like that. That's going to be pretty simple. You will be having some fraction here. Okay? So just simply subtract that fraction from 1. Okay? Subtract it from 1. And you put that answer after the minus symbol. Okay? And you increase this value by 1. That is how you will change.
Okay.
Clear? So now you can
Yes.
rewrite the 7 5 by 6 as 8
8
pi
by
minus 1 5 by
minus 1 by.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I have told you this already. You have like multiple of 2. 2 into 360. And for cos also, you can ignore that. You will simply have minus cosecant theta only, which means you're going to have minus cosecant of minus 1 by 6 into pi 1. Like how we neglected that 4 pi in the sine. Similarly, you can neglect this 8 pi in the cosecant. Clear?
Okay.
So you'll have this. You substitute the value of pi as 180 here. It's going to be
Ma'am,
minus
but that time you put 2 pi, right?
Wait. I'll change it and show you. That is also very simple. You have it like this. Till this, you're clear? You can
Yes,
rewrite this as 4 times of 2 pi. What do you mean by 4 times of 2 pi? You will have the same value only, but you will rotate it for 4 times. It doesn't make
Yes,
any
2.
difference. Yes?
So you just need to write 2 pi, which is 360.
Yes. So again, like 360 plus theta going to be theta only. So which is nothing but minus 1 by 6 pi. Clear? Which is why I have converted that 7 in terms of even, just to make this cancellation.
Okay.
Because 2 pi means it's a complete rotation, isn't it? So it's minus 1 by 6 pi. So substitute the value of pi here, which is 180. So it's minus cosecant minus 180 degree by 6, which will give you 30 minus cosecant of minus 30. Minus into minus is plus. It's cosecant 30 degree. Know the value of cosecant 30, which is 1 upon sine, 1 upon 1 by 2. I mean, if you by heart the table, you can directly write it as 2. That's it. That's the value of the trigonometric.
Okay.
What we are doing in the very first step, you are converting this into radian, and then you are just neglecting that unnecessary rotations. After that, you are just substituting the value of pi as 180 degree and you are simplifying it and you are finding the answer using the trigonometric table value have learned.
Okay.
We'll move to the next question. Question number 8 is tan 19 pi upon 3. 19 upon 3. This is also one improper fraction. Convert this into mixed fraction. You will have tan 6 1 by 3 pi which could be written as tan 6 pi plus
6 pi by 1 by 3 pi.
yeah,
So
yeah. Again, like
that
this
would
6
be
pi gonna be
360
3
tan
times
of
of 2
tan,
pi. Okay.
tan
So it
1 by 3
repeats
pi.
3 times of 2 pi can be ignored and you will write it as
Tan
1 by
1 by
3
3 pi.
Substitute the value of pi here, which is
By
nothing but
1 by 3
180
to
by
20.
3. So that would give you the answer as 60.
60.
So now you will
Tan
have
60.
root 3.
Root 3. Okay. Okay, ma'am. It's very simple.
Yes. Next one is sine 11 pi by 3. Srishti, please mark this as
Okay.
homework. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Next question is cot of minus 15 pi by 4. This is also same. You just have to be aware of this. Cot of minus x is nothing but minus cot x only. Take the minus outside. Do the
Okay.
conversion. When you convert this into mixed fraction, you will have 3 by 4. Like you will have it like this,
So
3 pi plus 3 by 4 pi. Okay.
3.
I
So
told you
we need to
already to convert
4
the
5.
odd in terms
Yeah.
of
So
even.
so
So
it would
when
be
you do
4
that, you will put
minus 1
minus
by
here.
4.
Exactly. Very good. You got the point. When you got the concept, it's 4 pi minus 1 by 4 pi. That's it. So you'll ignore
So
this
tan
4 pi. You'll
1 by
ignore it. And you will write it as minus of cot of
4.
minus 1 by 4 pi. And just substitute the value of pi as 180. And you will get the answer as minus into minus will turn into plus. You will have cot 45 degree, which is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, Srishti?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all about this exercise.
Oh, okay.
We'll continue the exercise,
Ma'am,
next
and also
exercise in the
in
next class.
this chapter, 7.4, I guess it's not coming.
7.4 or 3.4?
I mean 3.4.
3.4. Okay. Okay. How many exercises you are having? There are
Only 4 exercises, in which 3.4 is cancelled.
okay, the principal and general solution. Okay. Oh yeah, it is deleted for the 2023. Yes, it's deleted. Yeah, just one more exercise.
How about one more exercise?
Yeah. Shall we discuss that in the next class, Rishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, dear. Do you have any doubt in what we have discussed?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, for the complex numbers thing.
For the doubt,
Uh,
shall we discuss that also in the next class? Like I do have another class.
okay, ma'am. So next,
You
today
just
I
send
will
me the
be-
doubt questions, Rishti. I'll try to answer it in the WhatsApp. If not possible, like we'll have it in the next